All right, so we're doing our standing side oblique crunch. So if you have ever felt your obliques before, this will be much easier. I'd recommend doing a side oblique plank. Hold it, because you'll start to really feel those muscles like sort of turn on. Whereas this one's weird because we're crunching, but we're crunching to the side. So I'm gonna hold a weight on this side, and the side that's working is this side. So the job here is for these side obliques to contract my torso down over this way as I hold this weight. And then I lengthen out, these obliques are lengthening out, and then I crunch down. And you want to focus in on those obliques, guide it out, guide it out, guide it out, guide it out. Guide it out, guide it out, guide it out, guide it out. Nice, and then once that side's done, you then swap hands. If you're not getting it, even just twisting at the torso right in the middle is going to be getting them on. I would favor a little side crunch to the forward, not like in a direct side. I would actually favor like a tiny crunch in this plane here. Just the tiniest bit over. Start with a light weight, get the movement going, and you can end up going extremely heavy with this movement. Yeah.